Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is a special video. Why? Because today I passed the new challenge I made, the 5K challenge using the support and resistance strategy with 1 hour to prove you guys that the simple strategy and just using 1 hour, one strategy, one pair, one trade a day, one session can work. Okay, so I bought this course, this challenge, to prove and share. I shared all the trades with the Discord. Okay, so it's a small community that I created, and yeah, I shared all the trades there. The people entered the trades with me, etc. So yeah, it was nice to that I could make this challenge and pass it. So yeah, I will break down all the trades I took, the statistics, etc. So basically, the phase one, as you can see here, I just needed 8% to pass, and I made 8.16. So I made even more, like $7 more. Okay. So let's go and break down all the trades. So I passed in 10 trades, the phase one, and 70% win rate. Okay. And yeah, I passed. So basically 10 trades was like so fast to pass this challenge. So I'm risking 2% per trade with 1 hour. And yeah, let's go to the breakdown. So the first trade was a win in February. Let's see, 14 February. So was here, was a win. Let's go to see. Okay. So as you can see here, in this time I was doing 25 pips. And yeah, as you can see here, what we have in this open here, we have support from here. Why? Because these and these zones are inside this one, so I use this one. So break, huge retests, okay, was near to my SL, and next just flipped, and next candle hit my TP. So yeah, first trade win. Next trade was 18 was a win too, as you can see here. So yeah, I have a zone on the left, so break, retest, and yeah, sniper entry with 25 pips. Yeah, I was using this whole month 25 pips. So yeah, a win, simple trades. And the next one was a win too, so 3 wins in row. So 19, day 19. Yeah, okay, so what we have, price ranging inside this resistance and support. Finally, we have a break and closure below the zone and below the moving average. The next we have a retest of it. The next candle was near to hit my TP, and the next candle retraced to break even, and next flip to bearish and hit my TP. So yeah, clean shot too. And let's see, the next trade was 20. So was this one a loss? Let's see. Yeah, so basically a huge candle that breakout below, and the next candle retest. And as you can see here, if I would use the 50 pips here, would be a TP, but look at this, just hit my 25 pips SL and went to TP. So yeah, if I would use the 50 pips SL during the start of the year, will be much better results, and I could pass the challenge more fast. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, so the next one was 21. 21 was a short trade. As you can see here, price was struggling a lot to break the 5-minute zone. Finally, we have a break and a closure below, and the next candle was a sniper entry. Price just tapped and flipped to bearish. Was like so fast, right? And yeah, so let's go to the next page. The next page was this one here. So was a loss. Okay, was a loss, and was 24. So was this one. let's see. Yeah, what we have, break, and yeah, you see this retest here. Yeah, the next candle just hit my SL and next hit TP. And again, if I would use the 50 pips SL, in this case would be a win 2 instead of loss. So yeah. The next one was 25 and was a loss 2. And I think this one would be another case of the 50 pips SL would hit TP, because this month here with 50 pips SL instead 25 would finish with 20%. So the double. Okay, so yeah. But yeah, as you can see, price closed below the moving average and below this support here. The next I have a retest, huge drawdown, and just took me out, and next would be a TP. So yeah. And finally we have day 26. Day 26 was this one. Was a bullish trade, so near to hit my SL because the 25 was so small. But yeah, I was late to change the size of the SL for this year because price is more volatile. So yeah, as you can see here, we are below the moving average, but this candle closed above the moving average and above this zone. And on retest of it, price open and was so near to hit my SL, and next closed like with huge rejection. And the next candle, in the same candle, price flipped to bullish, hit my TP, and yeah, was TP on one candle. And finally, was the last one? No. Okay, 27 was another win. 27, as you can see, a huge candle, many pips, this candle here. And the next candle just retested my zone, like, yeah, crazy sniper, boom, and just retraced to my TP again in just one candle. And yeah, the last trade of this challenge to pass the challenge was a sell on 3rd March. As you can see, I still use the 25. And yeah, what we have below the moving average, price breakout, closure below. Next we have a retest of it, and yeah, TP in 2 candles. So yeah, this was the trades for the phase 1. Let's go now to the phase 2. Phase 2 was the double of the trades, and we need less gain to pass it. But yeah, this month of March was a bit hard, was not clean as much as February, so yeah. But yeah, we are 4 pages. So the first one was 6 March. In 6 March was a win, so I started the phase 2 with a win. As you can see here, we have a break of above of 2 zones, and we have a retest, TP so fast in just one candle. The next trade was 10 March and was a loss, so I had 3 loss strikes. So 10, where is it? 10 March was here, was a loss. As you can see here, this was a breakout, a break, and here the retest, and the retest was like, yeah, directly to my SL, because yeah, rejected like from the 4 hour, but yeah, the next candle just continued down, so yeah, was unlucky trade. The next one was 11 was a loss too, and was a buy. Okay, as you can see here, we have a breakout and closure above 2 zones. I enter on this one, price was a huge in drawdown, and yeah, directly to my SL. Next was a 12. Yeah, I had here a loss because on 50k account I entered on this and was a win, but on 5k I marked wrong the 4 hour zones, and I buy right above here in the wrong place, but the real entry was this one. Okay, so yeah, this is why I have here a win, but on my challenge was a loss. where is it? Let me go again here. Yeah, okay, so 12 exactly. Day 12, this was the real entry, but I have a loss, but I don't have the print, so yeah, basically was a loss. The next one was 13. Yeah, 13 was a win. So after 3 losses, I had a win finally. Was 13? 13, yeah. So let's, oh my god, what I did. 13 is here, yeah, okay. Yeah, 13 was, as you can see, we have a small closure below this 5-minute zone and is below the SMA. On the retest of it, price tapped and just hit TP in one candle. The next trade was again a win, so I had like 4 win strikes after. So 14 is here. Let's see. So break, retest, like sniper entry. Clean shot. I don't need to explain much more than that because it was a clean shot. 17 was a win too, as you can see here. Break, retest, and yeah, 2 candles to hit the TP. Clean shot, like sniper. And the next one was 18, was another win. 18, let's go. 18 was a break retest. Was like this trade took like so long. Was, yeah, I hold this trade like so long. Price was 2 pips far from hit my TP and like 3 or 4 pips to hit my SL, and next reversed again. So yeah, crazy trade. And the next trade was a loss, so 19 was a loss. As you can see here, we have break, retest, and price just went directly to my SL. The next one, let's go to the page 2, so was a win. Day 20 was a win, as you can see here. So basically a sniper entry, break and closure above the 5-minute zone and above the SMA, so price just tapped and went to my TP. Day 21 was a loss, so I had 3 loss strike again. So 21 was here. So break, retest. A zone is below the SMA, but the breakout was above the SMA, so it was valid. And yeah, keep the SL in 4 candles. The next one was 21. No, 21 was the one I thought about. So the 24 was another loss. As you can see here, was like directly to my SL. Price closed like so small below the moving average and below the zone, and next candle just directly to my SL. The next one was 25. 25 was another loss. As you can see here, price closed below this zone, and the retest of it, price you don't see here price hitting the SL, but the spreads here in this day were like so crazy and took me out with spreads. So yeah, but I think this next would be a TP, but because of spreads I took a loss here. 26 was a win finally, and as you can see here, we have a break. I missed the entry on the retest here because you see the gap was like so fast. I just put my limit here and I was waiting for price to came to the entry again, and was what happened. So price opened here, triggered me my entry and retraced, and the next candle just melted. So clean trades, yeah. And yeah, and finally the last trades was 27. 27 was a win. As you can see here, break, retest, like so sniper. Look at this. No drawdown. Price tapped, melted. TP in one candle. The day 28, yeah, 28. Day 28. As you can see here, we had a breakout and closure below. because the real thing here of this candle, as you can see, you see a bullish candle, but price opened here and closed here, so this should be a bearish closure below. Okay, so this is just a gap on TradingView account, but on brokers this is just a bearish candle, normal bearish candle. Okay, and the next candle just tapped like small drawdown, and yeah, be in one candle again. And what I have after this was what? Oh, okay, next we had a loss, so yeah, let's go. Break, retest, and price just hit my SL into candles. And next we reached the April, which I have 2 wins for now in the challenge. So as you can see here, clean entry, breakout after these hold zones, and finally we have opportunity to enter. Price retraced, tapped me in, and in just 2 candles. And finally the trade that made me pass the challenge was this one. So was today, price closed below this zone here, the next candle tapped and TP in seconds, I can say. Was crazy. Yeah, so basically phase 2, I had 3 times to pass the challenge. So as I can say, I had like 3 times to just lefting 1 trade to pass the challenge, and on that try I had a loss. So first time left 1 trade to pass, failed. Okay, loss. And I tried again, 2 wins in a row. Okay, I'm again sorry, I had a win again, so second try, loss. Okay, let me try again, a win again, and again just left 1 trade to pass, and finally at the third try I passed the phase 1. The phase 2 I needed 4 tries on the lefting just one trade to pass. So yeah, was on the 4th time, and the phase 1 and the 3rd time. So yeah guys, this proves so much that 1 hour works, simple strategy works, just 1 pair works, just 1 session works. And yeah, basically this is just 1 hour and a half session per day. Most of the times I'm done with just first 5-10 minutes of the session. So yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So if you are afraid of the 1 hour and support and resistance, etc., yeah, take this video as a motivation, because yeah, I was fully transparent with this challenge. So I shared all the setups before and after, and yeah guys, was crazy challenge. I'm so happy that I could make this work, a simple strategy, 1 hour, to prove that people who talk basically shit about 1 hour and support and resistance, they are just selling you a big dream of big RR. Okay, so yeah guys, I'm just waiting for the end of the review. I hope the Maven will be nice okay, and pass my account, because yeah, I think I didn't made any mistake about the rules. The only thing was on the phase 1, most of the trades was 25 pips, and hit many trades before just 1 minute holding, and less than 1 minute sometimes, and the rule is at least 50% of the trades need to be at least 1 minute. Okay, so but in my opinion, I checked again my trades, and most of them were like after 1 minute, so I think I'm good about it. And phase two with 50 pips was more chill about that rule, yeah, for sure. And yeah, I'm waiting for the review, and if they pass it, I will receive the certificate, and I will show you guys the certificate, etc. And yeah, so I will continue the video when this is finished review. I think that can take like 72 hours, so let's see guys. Hope this Maven is a good firm and I could make and buy more from them, so let's see. And yeah guys, I'm here the next day, and yeah, Maven approved my account. As you can see, I have here the email. If I open, you see, yeah, my congratulations, etc. And here my certificate. So yeah guys, I made it. Yeah, I have no words because I bought this challenge a small challenge just to like documenting all the journey and show you guys you can start small, because the Maven challenge is for 5k is like $20, so it's very cheap. And yeah guys, this is to show you and to prove you that you can start small and scale in. With the profits of these, you can buy other bigger accounts. I just made one trade a day, one pair Nasdaq, one session New York, and yeah, a simple strategy. So 1 hour and a half during the session New York, 9:30 to 11. So yeah guys, this is like emotion for me, too much emotion, because yeah, if you guys know my journey during these 6 years, most of that time was like just struggling, jumping strategies basically. And yeah, documenting a full challenge here and on socials, on Discord, was like incredible, because basically I shared my before and after trades. So yeah, this was like crazy thing I did. So I'm very happy with myself, and yeah, this is just the beginning. I have other accounts, you know guys, 50k, so yeah, that is my main. And this 5k I bought just for to prove you guys that you can start small, and yeah, with simple strategy, and yeah, keep it simple, follow your trading plan. And now I'm even more confident because I think I'm in a final version of my strategy. Finally, I think I have like all full detailed. The trading plan is like complete, so I think I will don't change anything more on my strategy. Maybe just the SL depend of the market conditions, but the rest, yeah, I have now my 100% completed strategy. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video motivates you to start a challenge or pass your challenge. Don't stay on complex things like I did on my journey. And yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. This video I think deserves like a lot of likes, okay, and subscription, because yeah, I made this like basically live. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video.